Hello everyone, what's up? It's your girl Janice here, and I just want to welcome you back to my channel. This video will be the first in a series of business videos that I'll be doing. Now my channel is not just about beauty. I'm here to empower, to motivate, and to impart knowledge. So in this video, I'll also be showing you the life cycle of my logo and how I redesigned it. I'll also be showing you how you can redesign or design your logo using only Microsoft Publisher and Paint. So if you're interested in learning how to do it by yourself, then please come along for the journey. As usual, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you do not miss a video. So let's get right into the video. Okay, the first thing I want to say is if you're doing business and you do not have a logo, then you really aren't doing business, because every business should have a logo. It's a way to identify your brand. So the first thing when you're thinking about starting a business, you should be thinking about your business name, what business you're getting into, whether it's a service or if you'll be selling tangible products. Whatever it is, you should be thinking about your name, and then you want a logo to represent that name. And also you need a tagline or slogan to communicate what your business stands for. For me, when I was starting my business, I chose the name Be-You-tiful Bells by Janice. Now how I came up with that name, I was there thinking really hard what I wanted to name my business. So I asked myself a few questions. What will I be doing, or what will I be offering in this business? I was into makeup, and makeup is really for women. I'm catering mostly to women. So I wanted something to represent that, to represent women. And funny enough, I remember watching Bruce Almighty and hearing Jim Carrey when he was saying, be beautiful. And that's how I found it, be-you-tiful. I researched online, I found the word be-you-tiful, which really means being beautiful by be you. And I thought that would work for my business. So I chose Be-You-tiful. Now how bells came into play, I wanted something to match with beautiful, but I also wanted it to be a B, so I would have BB. And I couldn't think of anything else that represents women that started with B. And so I did my research again, and I found the word belle. And it's a French word. It means a really beautiful young woman. And there's also a famous saying that says belle of the ball, and that's how I paired bells with beautiful and got beautiful bells. And then I just added my name by Janice to represent me. But because I was basically into makeup, I knew I wanted a face or something that portrays beauty. And so I contacted someone in Fiverr. I put out an ad on Fiverr that I wanted a logo for my brand. And I communicated to the person my favorite colors, the name of the business, the tagline, which is think beautiful, be beautiful. And he created a mock-up and sent it back to me. He actually did 3 and sent them back to me for me to choose which one I liked. Now I took all 3 logos that he designed and I combined them to make one that I liked and sent it back to him. You can see a drawing of it here that I sent to him, and he created the final logo, which looks like this. However, I've been using this logo for a while. However, I wanted something that was in one image. I didn't like the way it was stretched out with the words, and that is why I redesigned my logo. So if you want to see how I redesigned it to what it is now, which is like this, then just keep on watching, and I'll show you how you can create your own logo using just Microsoft Publisher and Paint without paying anyone a cent. So come along for the ride. So here are the pictures that shows the growth of my logo. This is the first mock-up image that the designer on Fiverr sent to me. along with 3 others, and I combined 3 of them and designed this. I kept the face that he had on the Y, and he had this flower thing on another design. So I just put them together and showed this to him, and he came up with this, and I was satisfied with this. I really liked it, and I liked his color choices, which I gave to him anyway. However, I redesigned it and came up with this. And I really like this because I can just put this one image on my business card, my whatever product I want to put it on. This is much easier to go around. So let me show you how I came up with this one. So the first thing we're going to do is go to Paint 3D, open that, and I'm going to go to Browse Files, and I'm going to select the logo, because what I intend to do is cut this head out. So I'm going to select the eraser, and let's make it a little bigger and start erasing the words. Okay, so I'm going to make the image bigger so I can get closer to the image, and I'm going to make the eraser smaller and just cut it out. Let's get rid of this D. So I have the symbol that I want to represent my logo now, so I'm going to save it. Save as, I'm going to save it as image, and I'm going to name it head. It's going to be saved on my desktop. Save. So I'm finished with Paint, so I'm going to close out. I did save my work. Okay, so now I'm going to open Publisher. I don't mind that. Open a new page. And I already knew that I wanted my logo to have a circular shape, so I'm going to go to Insert, Shapes, and select this oval. Let me just open it right there. And I'm not going to be doing my logo exactly how it is. I'm just going to show you how the steps I took to get it to that final logo, so you can have an idea how to do your own. So for this shape, I wanted a 3D effect. I chose this one, and I'm going to change the color of the outline. Let's choose purple, and inside the shape I'm going to fill it with a color. So I'm going to go to Gradient and go to More Gradients, one color. Let's see, one color is the purple, and we want it to be light, or we could do 2 colors, purple with blue. Let's try this. Okay, and then I'm going to insert the head. Remember that one that we saved? Now we're going to get that. It's saved on the desktop. Here it is. And I'm just going to cut this empty space off by going to Crop. Just pull the sides in. Okay. So now you can resize the head however you want it. If you don't already have an image like I do, then you could just find something online, cut it out, and put it in there. Just make sure it's not copyrighted. Okay, so now we have the head. I'm going to put in the business name. So go to Insert, Word Art, and let's just select this one. I'm going to type in my business name in all caps. Okay, so we can't use this straight shape, so I'm going to change the shape right here to this one so we can get it inside the circle. So all I'm going to do is pull the sides in to resize. I'm going to put it over here. Change the size. Just adjust everything to your liking. You know how you want your logo to look after all. So for the words, I'm just going to go to Format to change the color to what I want it to be. Let's go with this blue. I can add a shape outline. I could use white or no outline. Let's say no outline. So that's the business name right there. I'm going to resize the head, make it a little bit smaller. Next, I have a tagline. My tagline is Think Beautiful, Be Beautiful. So I'm going to add that right now. Go back to Insert, Word Art, and I'm going to add the tagline, which is Think Beautiful. Oops, I forgot how to spell beautiful. B, and I want the U to stand out. Beautiful. I want it like that. So now I'm going to change the shape of this too so I can get it inside the circle. Let's just pull this together. I'm going to put it at the bottom. Resize how you want it. Change colors how you want it. Let's just put this in black. No outline. You can play around with it, change the colors, whatever you want to do. You can just play around with it until you get the desired look you're going for. You just gotta be patient, and it might take some practice. See, I just changed the color on mine. So let me show you how to save everything now. You're gonna click Control and A to select all, and we're gonna group everything together in one image. So click Group up here, and then you're gonna right click and select Save as Picture. Now you can either save it as a PNG image or a JPEG, but I choose the PNG because I'm able to put it onto any background and it works. So let's name this New Logo, and it's gonna be saved to the desktop. So before I exit this, I'm just gonna minimize, make sure we have it saved before I close out. And there you have it. That's how I designed my logo. It didn't cost me any money, just some time and a little practice. So you can do it too. A little DIY never hurt. Thank me later. So that wasn't hard, was it? It was quite easy. And I got my logo redesigned without paying anyone any money. And look at the quality of my logo. I don't know if you can see from there, but look at my logo. I even have it printed on a mouse pad. Look how beautiful this is. So you can totally do it yourself, save yourself some money. So I hope this video was useful for you. I hope you learned something and it will help you along your business journey. So if you liked watching this video, if you learned anything at all, just give me a thumbs up, give me a like, and you're free to share my videos. You're free to leave me a comment. As usual, thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.